Hello there, guys. Welcome back after ages to Raw Coders w- of the show called Build, Break, and Fix. See, I even forgot everything about it. But no, now we are back in action, and the show, which is Build, Break, and Fix, is brought to you by One Raw Coder. Right, hope you guys are doing really, really well. Oh my goodness sake, it has been ages that I'm coming back. As in, it felt, I think it's probably been how many? Probably 1 month? Yeah, approximately a month now. Yeah, but hey, good to be back and let's kick things off. So, first things first, let's acknowledge the country and pay our respects to the elders of the past, present, and future. So, here we go. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today, and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Alright, so that is smoothly done. Now let's get into action. So because the stream hasn't been going long, but I have been working on the project offline. So basically, what happened was that when I did a merge, and I observed some discrepancies in between the front end and the back end, but I still went ahead and did the merge. Found out that some of the functionalities have been missing now since I did the merge. So what I have been doing all this time, prob- probably around a month's time, is I have been going through it and testing it, see what works and what doesn't, and if anything doesn't work, I fix it. All right. So that's what's been happening. I think I've managed to fix the majority of the things. So today, what we're going to be looking at how to hook up the board columns in WebSockets. So when the different users access the board, then the board columns are visible to all the users even when one person creates the column. All right. So I guess I'll give a bit of a introduction about the project itself because it's been ages and you guys have probably forgotten what the project was we were working on. So it is a web-based Kanban board. It is an open source project, an existing one. But what we would be doing is we have we have been doing is we have been um, we have been see it's been a while, so I'm gathering all the information on in my brain and thinking how to tell you this. So yeah, anyway, um yeah, okay. So what we have been doing on this particular project is we have been enhancing the existing project called Scrambler, and we have been adding the persistent storage. All right, so which means that we have hooked this project up to the AWS platform and also added persistent storage, and now just basically finishing up small bits and pieces. All right, cool. So Now that the introduction has been done, let's get moving. So I'm gonna open up. Actually, I'm gonna share my screen first, and then show you guys what's been popping. Do, 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 do. Okay, cool. So open folder, and now we wanna go to uh yeah, the front end, which is the Scrambler enhancement project, and we want to add hook. So okay, so I have done some changes in the architecture bit of this in the development side. So you must be wondering, what have I done? So what I've done is I have gone with say I'm just doing the main development on the dev branch, because this is actually keeping the project really simple and easy to manage. Previously, when we had different branches, we had to merge, and then if we didn't get merged, then everything just accumulated, which when we had time to merge created a lot of thought, as in, hang on, which one comes first and which one to do first, as in the merging of the branches. So I just wanted to keep the project really simple and do all the development on this branch. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna do a git pull, and hopefully I'm already on the latest, but seems like I haven't been. So yeah, I must have been, I'm pretty sure. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Okay, cool. So the screen is visible, which is great. Hey, Alexander Gamerman, Giza. Ah, yeah, probably pooping a bit too much. Yeah, you're right. All right, cool. So we're gonna test the project and see where we have managed to gone up to. So I'm assuming you can still see my screen. Yes, you can. All right, cool. So this is the wrong directory. I need to go into the C client directory and then do it from there. Yeah, now I'm in the client directory. Oops, there's no client. What? No, 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 no. Oh, okay. I need to. I was already in the client directory. Cool. So now we test board 1, 2, 3, 4 goes there, and okay, cool. So now, well, okay, board maps. This is not gonna work. I already have a feeling because it's already giving the error on map, which is in get board by name. Hang on, is board name already there? It's already there. I need to check. Let's have a look. Any comments? Uh, da, 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 da. Okay, cool. So these are all the boards here. And have I got any T5? Yes, I have. So what I can actually, I need board columns. Let's just test if board columns and notes are even saving properly. So I'm gonna create a note and a column which I would name as col1. Cool, and now save it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Save this one, and I should see both the column name and the board node in this one. So I'm gonna just send. Yeah, cool. So board columns and board. No, not really. Board column is saving as an array of itself. Interesting. And then board. So that would probably be another bug. Actually, board column names. No, hang on a minute. Okay. This would probably be in the backend thing that I need to fix. So let's go into the backend. Do 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 do. Okay, open folder. SAM API, and let me check if I've already got. Do 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 do. What do I have? Board column. I haven't got it. How is that possible? Interesting. So in that case, what we need to do is copy and paste column's name. Okay, so that's a bit of a difference there. Column names. So if you're having this one, so here it's only one thing. So probably it's coming from the front end then, I would say. Column names is already in the backend, which is fine. Yeah, we need that. And columns name, yeah. But we don't need is column names. No, columns name. Oh, this is getting really interesting now. So what we don't need is columns name. So let's go to that one. Open up Scrum enhancement. Did I close it? No, I didn't want it to close it. Apparently I did close it. Okay. Do. Okay, so if I search column names, okay, column names is there, but what isn't there is columns name. Okay, not there as well. Okay, interesting. I'm not too sure where that's coming from. Columns name. Let me do one thing. Delete this board and try to do that again. Okay, get all boards. So I'm gonna insert which one? So T1 is already there. I have to insert item, this one. Okay, so there's only one. Cool. So I can insert T2 and then check if that is working fine. Have a look, shall we? T2. Okay, and T2 is there. We add one and then column one as well. colon. Okay, and now we do password and then add it. That should save successfully. All good. So now in T2 we should have just one property, which is column names. T2, no. See, this is a problem. Okay, anyway, we can come back to this one afterwards. I will include this bug in the project. New sign up. Okay, I need to sign in first. Device code. Okay, I'll have a look in the phone because I don't want to really access the emails on the laptop at the moment. Yeah, got it. So this would be 14922. Brilliant. Right, any messages? Nope, no messages. What's this coming? All right. Now, what I need to create an issue. Property names, property for column and pairing twice and saving to that property and saving to properties. Which one was there? Column names. Is for column names. Yeah. Yeah. Saving saving notes. Names. Yeah. And which one is the and the other and only being used. Okay, so this issue is there now. We can record this one and just move on. But the best part is their columns and notes are saving appropriately now, which is great. Absolutely. All right. Now we need to make sure that the column names are actually hooked onto the WebSocket. All right, because at the moment they might not be. How I can tell is when I open the WebSocket and do that, and then I create another column, and I won't see any column here. See, that is what we want to work on. Okay, and I think I've already done this functionality before, so we're gonna go back in the um do 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 do. How we're gonna go back? Any comments? No. Oh, I've got to play the music. Wow, that shouldn't have happened. Okay. Do, 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 do. So what we want to do is we want to get the board column. Yeah, in this one I created it, and then some comes behind. I don't really care about that one at this stage. Add bottom base, add board column functionality. And put notes, display WebSocket in a column. Update columns. Ah, okay, right. Add columns. From myself, new, no, this one. Ashley, how many comments have there been made? Wait a minute, web prerequisite fix. WebSocket showing content on other screens. What was this about? Okay, that's fine. Merge S15 into dev. Show progress by yet, that's all good. Merge pro, then we merged, and then we add bottom column with functionality. All right. So this was done in script.js and add top. Okay, so stop script.js 285. We need to go there, script.js. So 85. Okay, cool. So that's already there. Great. And then I need draw new card. Update. Yeah. Update the board note map. Create columns. And it comes in there. Create column. Okay, but it already has it. Action update columns. Action is 613. Default. See, this is already what I did. Oh, update column, action update column, So is that all update columns is fine, is it? Action init columns. Draw new column. Column editable. Multi-line is false. Column last, column plus 2, column change. No, don't need that one. Update columns. Add updates init columns. Actually, action data, new board size. Let me see what else was the board columns from socket. Yeah, that was already there. Data column action. Create, delete, update. So the only thing I can think of that, hang on. Action in a column. Action, no. Actually, if I do init action here, and delete, and then update, yeah. No, not the delete. Yeah, delete column. Try this and see if this works. Oh, it did work. Because I think so. Okay, T2. This is there, but I've got too many screens on. Just keep it simple and do it to 2. Guess if I do one more, then I should see this reflected on the other screen as well. No. Because of them must have been the problem. Still in connecting state. Right, okay, so that's still. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of that and start this again. 2. Connecting state, what? Forget it. I will create another board and go in that way. Maybe in that way you can tell me if I've messed up or not. Okay. Did it work? No, not this one. This one. T3. No, it didn't work. Okay. Reading a board by name. So this must be the thing that's causing the problem, which is why it's probably not coming any further to that step. Must be the issue there. So first of all, I need to get rid of this issue, reading map. Cannot properties, reading map. Cannot properties, reading map. So that's coming on get board by name, which is get board by name. Okay. Okay, so it's coming basically over here, which means that it's not reading this one. But is that even uncommon when fixing the column functionality? Yep, that is the one. So I need the map. Where's this map coming from? Left, then what does it say? Will it work now? Reading map, no, that still fails. Undefined reading map. So, column is not coming. Right, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Because if I console.log current board name, that should give me items is 0. Items as 0. There are passcode. There you go. That's my culprit right there. It's not getting the board columns at all. Okay, so why is the board column not coming now? Board ID is coming, name, board passcode, board notes. See, these are the kind of discrepancies that we have. So board ID, board name. So where is that coming from? Current board. It fetches it and then gives a response. Board name. Get board by name. Load board ID. Load board name from DB. Don't need that because I'm not even using it. Get board by ID. Oh, I am using it. Interesting. Data board name. Get board name. So this would be the name of the hit. Load this page. I'm getting the board from query string, board name, and if the board ID isn't there, then I'm redirecting to home, and then saying set board name on page, board data. Okay, so by that one, I'm getting the board data, which is I need to insert that in the thing as well in backend. Okay, interesting stuff. So if I have post get get no, don't need that one. Get specific note, no. List all boards, get board names. Yeah, change endpoint name for board names to get particular board, no, get board by name. Okay, board name, get board by name. Okay, so this is actually getting the entire board. Create new. Okay, so that doesn't do it. Board name is name valid. Yeah, don't worry about that. Communication board name, expression board name, and then I'm simply querying it. Create a new board, update the board. Hang on, is there any comments? Nope. So board isn't coming up in the items, which is board ID, name, passcode, notes is T3. 2. Yeah, I need the names, column's name. Column's name. Okay, how do we find columns? Is it column's name or what am I saving it as? Column names. But at the end, I'm only using columns names. Right. This is confusing now. Okay, so what I need to be able to do is I would need to so what is this saving as at the moment? If I save this, T3, if I do a get T3, yeah, column names. So it's inserting it twice. So which one do I column names? I need columns name. If I get all of that, if I disconnect, and then I would run it again. Mm. Then to the live server. Wait, hang on. I am doing that. CD client. Okay. This is backhand. Never mind. This is backhand. Never mind. T4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we do that one. Which one was it? T4, wasn't it? Yeah, T4. T4. So T2, T3, T4, yeah, okay. So column name, I don't want to change the back end, I would rather change just the front end. Yeah, because column names in the back end, how is column names done as? Column names, no. Column names, no. Name, column names update. Okay. Column names, okay, so this is working. Column names, right? Okay. Insert, create columns. So it's column names, column names. Right, so this is working. Board ID patch. Post column board. No. Yeah, okay, so the board columns, the column names is working, right? Create a new board, column names. There you go. Oh, don't tell me that. Okay, let's try and build it. Hopefully it doesn't require the entire thing. The entire deleting the stack and reopen it, and redeploying it. Hopefully it doesn't. I can just build it and then deploy it. Yeah, it won't actually, because I am not changing the global secondary index. That's why it won't. Alright, cool. No, I'm feeling sleepy already. Alright, let's do that. Hopefully after this, it will map the columns on the board, and we may not get that column map error. Hopefully. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Okay, hopefully all just updates smoothly. Okay, brilliant. So it did it. And now if we do that, as in run it, and it shouldn't show us the error. Six, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, it will because we haven't saved any columns yet, but we will now. One, two, three, four. T6, T6, and that one comes there. T6, T6, T6. T6. Oh, brilliant. Okay, cool. So that extra column bit is gone, which is fantastic. So I can mark that one off already. And I can submit the code because I really want to keep on track with the comments and everything. App. Yeah, cool. Commit. Okay, add JS. No, okay. It's not in this folder. It should be in here now. App.js, yep. There it is. Okay, add app.js, and then it would be git commit delete and delete an extra place an extra property. Place an extra item column name. Okay, and just to be sure, we're gonna go in GitHub and attach the commit with that issue so that we're all on track. Copy and issue moved in on second issue solved folder. Oh, come on. I can do better than this. I know I can. Okay, now that that is saved, I can close this, and I want to bring T6 again just to test if I'm getting that error still or not. The reading map error, so 6, 3, 4. Cool, so yeah, it's coming. Filter execute send on WebSocket, streaming connecting station. Okay, so if I do that one a bit later, and then it should hopefully come up, and the reading map message should have been gone. T6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Should get column and the note, and there you go, voila. Yeah, cool. So that's not coming up, and if I open this one up in incognito, is the WebSocket working for board columns or not? Let's have a look. T6, no, still not. Okay, what would be the issue here? Still in connecting state. Right. That's still in connecting state. So if I leave it that way. Okay, cool. So this is there. And now if I add another one, does that still say stay in connecting state? It must do. No. No. Okay, that's fine. I'll have to work on it. Cool. So T2 don't need that one anymore. And need this one. Yeah, okay, so that's definitely not coming there. If I create a note, does that appear? Oh wow, okay. Never mind. WebSocket is causing problem, is it? WebSocket is causing a problem. Yep, that's causing a problem. So what error do I get with WebSockets? Actually, have I updated the thing? Pick. But if I do this one in the way it was before, I go back in there and for my commits. Getting this one portion not telling me. Okay, not Neptune. Yeah, this was the one. To 57 to 58. Right, guys, it's been a very productive session, and we did get one bug out of the way, which was great. Still working through the way of hooking up the board columns to WebSocket, but I'm pretty sure we'll get there. And yeah, looking forward to the next one. So if you wanna see how we hook up the board columns to the WebSockets, feel free to join me tomorrow, same time, same place, and a different task. And a same task. Sorry. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Have a great night.